Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you've never come across one of our videos before, or if you haven't looked at the channel before, what we do here is post earwax removal videos. We post new ones every Tuesday and every Friday. So if you have any questions about the video that you go out to watch, then pop them into the comment section below, and that way then the most popular questions we can answer at the end of the week. So enjoy the video, and I shall see you at the end.
Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. So we have a gentleman that's come through the clinic and he has very hardened up earwax on both sides, so quite dried out earwax. So what we're going to do first of all is just gently probe this earwax with the standard size Zollner tube. Just see it just scraping along the outside edge of the earwax here to see if we can get a little bit of movement to it. Sometimes when it's hardened up like this, you may have a little bit of flexibility, a little bit of wiggle room in here, which will allow the wax to come out in one large piece. If you're watching this on Facebook, guys, and you do like the video, we have lots of other videos on our YouTube channel at Audiology Associates UK. So not really budging with the Zollner tube. So this is the Jobson horn. So we're just going to use this to maneuver some of this hardened up wax to the outer part of the ear canal here. There we are, you can see it's binding together and holding together quite nicely. So quite a large piece there. Still quite a bit behind it, so but this is more towards the outer part of the ear canal now, so we're just going to use the standard size Zollner tube again just to tidy up. Looking to see if we can maneuver this out in one piece. If you're watching this on YouTube, there is more content on our Facebook page as well, which is Audiology Associates 1. If you want to check that out, guys, and follow that page as well. There we go. We've just broken a piece off now, so we're just getting little pieces starting to break away. Because this wax is dry, sometimes you will get these smaller chunks that pop off from the main body of earwax. Just slowly breaking pieces off, looking for any movement in this wax so we can get it in one piece if we can. There we are, just start to see it moving there. So we've got a good grip with the suction tube now, just holding on to the wax basically and wiggling it back and forth to maneuver it around the two bends in the ear canal until we get to the outer part of the canal. You can see just how dried up this wax is. So we're going to go back in with the Jobson horn now just to get it the last few centimeters out. Here we are. So you can see how dark that is, quite dried up. You can see how tough it is. It's really difficult to get the Jobson horn in to lift it out of the bowl of the ear there. And there we are. You can see the eardrum looks really healthy. Good light reflex, a nice shiny light reflex there. So this is the same patient with the second ear now. So you can see we've got a very similar problem on this side. I thought there might have been a little gap at the top there, but it's all closed up. So we have got a slight ridge to work on there with the Jobson horn. So we're just going to use that first just to bring some of the outer section of wax away. That's the first piece gone. This is the standard size Zollner tube again. When you take wax away with a Jobson horn, if it doesn't come away in a nice clean piece, it can leave lots of these smaller debris bits which are really close to the canal wall. Now I personally don't like using the Jobson horn if you've got a thinner piece of wax that's really close to the canal wall, just because it is uncomfortable for the patient. They'll feel a scratching or pinching sensation when you work that down the canal. So I prefer to lift that off using the suction and maneuver into a better position then for Jobson horn if we need to use it. So you can see we've got it to the outer part of the ear canal now, so I can actually get behind the wax, not touching the canal walls. There you go, and just maneuver this out now. So a lot more comfortable for the patient to do it that way. And there we go, you can see lots of hair and bits embedded in there. So we've got another deep piece of dark wax here. You can see some dryness, dry skin there to the right hand side. So what we need to do with this wax, it's difficult to get a good grip on the outer part because it's so matted with hair on the outer sections, you won't get a good grip. So what I'm going to do is bring it forwards and lift it, which then gives us the smoother edge underneath, you can see, get a better grip on there. And there we are, that's the deeper piece removed. And there's one more piece left in there. So you can see it sometimes is a case of just turning it to get it into a better position first before you get a good enough grip to take it away. You can just see the eardrum underneath there. Here we are. And there's the eardrum, all looking really healthy. So this is what we removed, guys. This is what we removed in centimeters. So you can see it's roughly around about the 7 centimeter mark. And this is what we removed in inches. So about 2.5, 2.75 inches there.
Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.